Welcome to session 3 of JA Ourselves. You will need the vegetable sticker sheets, the Let's Plant a Garden worksheet, the Learning About Ourselves Big Book, table tents, as well as the Volunteer's Guide. Tell the students to gather there at the carpet area again and tell them you're glad to be back. Show them the book again and ask them if they remember the names of their storybook friends and what happened the last time that you were there. And then show the students the new book and ask them who wants to meet our new friends. Introduce them to Charlie and Grandmother Laura. Read the book, and as you're reading you can ask some of the questions that are prompted in the volunteer guide. And afterwards define and explain a vegetable, a plant with leaves and roots that you can eat. Tell the students that you're going to do a fun activity today and they're actually going to get to have stickers and plant their own garden. And planting a garden is fun. Why is planting a garden fun? Try to get them to talk about how they can get their food from a garden, how it's fresh and it tastes even better. And then say that you're going to give them the directions to have them to take a look. So I'm going to hand out a worksheet, and on the worksheet the first thing you're going to do is put your name. And then tell them that you are going to get to plant your own garden just like Charlie did in the story. So hold up the sticker sheets and talk about the different vegetables. You might want to point to them one at a time and say, what's this vegetable? It's a carrot, etc. and go through. Now just so that you know, some students might be able to recognize that a tomato is actually a fruit and that that's something that's actually grown in a garden, but we do know that it's a fruit and not a vegetable. Then define a row and explain to that when you plant a vegetable garden that you actually want to make sure that you plant things in a row so that you know what's growing in each row. And then remind the students that they're going to put all the same things together. So when they plant the carrots, they want one row of carrots, one row of lettuce, one row of tomatoes, one row of corn. And you can show them those things on your paper. You can even give an example if you have enough. Let the students work, hand out the materials, and then make sure that you give them that warning of 5 minutes when 5 minutes is close to being done. When they're all finished and while they're working, you might want to mention to the teacher where would you like the students to put those things, and then make sure that you instruct the students to put them in their mailboxes or in their backpacks, wherever the teacher would like them. And then also make sure that all the extra trash from the stickers goes in the trash can. Invite the students back up to the carpet area if you started there, and then remind them how Charlie and his friends had to work hard and how hard work makes a garden grow and that they work together to do that. You can even, if you have time, talk about how they have maybe worked with somebody on a project and what kind of things, how did that make them feel when they worked together. Then thank them and tell them when you'll be back and let them know that you appreciate their time. Have a great session 3.